Why is it adding some?
Ooh, got some game changers. Memphis shades. Brackets. Guess what it is? Hopefully, keep my hands a little toasty. There's damn Utah winner. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Ooh. Okay. Feels just plastic. Well, it's thick. These are gonna be nice. So these will go on either side of my grips, like little ears. But when you're riding, your hands will be behind here. So the wind will be blocked and fingers nice and toasty. I got heated grips, heated gloves, but every once in a while the cold creeps in and we don't want that to happen. So got these from Revzilla, Memphis shades, finger warmers. No, I'm just kidding. They're hand guards. Bye.